Hello friends, welcome back to my studio. Hope you're well. My apologies for my absence to those of you who watch me regularly. We celebrate Mother's Day in May in Australia, and of course this being my first Mother's Day without Mum, I really hit a big period of grief and lethargy. So I really want this channel to be about beauty and joy and helping others connect to their creativity, and so I was not pleasant to be around, let's say. So yeah, grief, what a monster that can be. Anyway, I'm feeling much better. I think I've worked through a lot, and this is actually the first time I've been in the studio for probably 5 weeks or something. And it's such a shame because we're in autumn here, or technically we've just entered winter, being the 3rd of June or something as it is today. But we are in central Victoria, we have generally we have very short spring and autumn, and we tend to have longer summers and longer winters, a bit more Mediterranean type of climate. And we're having a really lovely autumn. Because we're in a drought, we're not getting any rain, but it does mean that autumn is hanging around for a lot longer and is such a pretty season. It's a beautiful time in the studio, so it's been a shame to be away from it. You can see I've got a little microphone on here. I was able to do a little bit of online shopping in my convalescence, so I've got a whole lot of stuff to show you, but I'll leave that for a video just on art related materials and talk about them, have a chance to be able to talk about them properly. I'm just really checking in with you today to say hi, I'm still here, and I plan on going back to weekly videos for you. And looking at the YouTube analytics, there's 83% of you that aren't subscribed that watch the vlogs. Now, I think for YouTube to count a view, it only has to be so many seconds long. So I appreciate that a good portion of that 83% are probably clicking on going, not for me, totally fine, and off they go. But this is to anyone who's watching now, who is a regular watcher, watches to the end of the videos and you're not subscribed. Why not? Please do me a big favor and subscribe. It really, really helps me and my channel to reach more people, to get more creativity in the world. The world really needs it right now. We need to fill the world with love and joy and lots of art. The other news I have for you, you might remember, and I will link the video I did in the description, a video that I think was called My Art Business Warning, where I spoke about losing the ownership of my domain name for my website. And what I decided to do was just get a whole new domain, pretty similar, but basically a domain that didn't have the .au on there, and I decided to drop that. But I have been checking in to see whether the hacker or whoever it was that stole that domain from me, I figured seeing as they didn't get any money out of me, they would let it go, because why would they keep paying for the license? And I knew that it would be due for renewal around about now. And so I've been dipping in and checking about whether it's been available, the original selenawilsonart.com.au. And there were links to agents that could have negotiated for me to purchase it back. But again, I didn't want to have the hacker, I'll call them a hacker, to gain any funds at all out of their venture. So I was just patient, and guess what? It was available. They'd let it go, and I've got it back. Yay! Small wins, I guess. Is there a saying about not the meek shall inherit the earth, but something about being patient and being rewarded for patience? And I'm not known for my patience, but I've had a win. So now I need to decide I own the domain for both the .com and the .au for Selena Wilson Art. So I just feel good that I've got it back. And so now I'm trying to decide, do I link that back to the website or not? And if I do, I will change all the links and you'll be able to still find me. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that story, that's you can win, have small wins sometimes. So as I said, I haven't been in the studio. I haven't got any art to show you, but I have been able to, and it's unfortunately, I know my lecturers at uni used to go really mental over me because I wouldn't put things down. I wouldn't work in a visual diary. I did it all in my head and I processed a whole lot of stuff in my head. And when I could see in my head the way forward, that's when I started to actually put things out of my body onto paper or canvas or whatever it was. And I know it's not the way I would say you should do it. You should definitely be keeping a visual diary and just continually working and just doing stuff. And I really have not done anything at all. Actually, what did get me back into it, I decided, because I was basically just stuck in limbo on the couch, and I struggled to get off the couch, let alone achieve anything. But what I did do was drag myself up and decided to finish the decorating of our lounge room, our new lounge room. And I'm really happy I did it. It was hard. I was so tired at the end of each day. But as it drew to a close, I could feel those connections to paintbrush and laying down paint and the creativity return. And I've done lots of vlogs on how to get your art mojo back and how to stay connected to your art. And really mostly it's about trust that it will come back. It's quite normal to have periods of inactivity. It doesn't necessarily mean you completely stop thinking about it. As I said, I was thinking a lot. I've been buying things. I've been doing a lot of research. I've been, really tooling myself and kitting myself up for this next stage. And the periods really helped me. I know I did that vision board that I did a few vlogs ago, and having just stepped through another period of deep grief, being able to really deepen and explore what do I want to do? How am I going to express that? And it feels a little not irrelevant. I think that mood board was a good step towards where I'm going. But yeah, I'm really excited I think I've got it all set in my brain what I want to do. And I very much look forward to showing you all that in future weekly vlogs. So I hope you'll join me for those. Please subscribe, please like, leave me a comment. That's all for this week. I hope you have a lovely week, and I shall see you next week. Bye. Thanks for being here.